Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how can we unlock apps in our Infinix phone. Guys, you have logged any app in your Infinix phone and guys you want to unlock your app. So then how can you unlock it? In this video guys I am going to show you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like my video. So friends, now time to start video friends. We will on our phone setting to unlock apps. So sorry friends, I paused the video. So guys, now continue. So then open your phone setting and guys scroll it. Friends, you can see phone security setting guys. Tap here guys. So when security setting, we will click here. And guys, you can see guys your app lock setting guys. Click on your app lock setting and guys draw your pattern. And guys, which app guys you want to unlock? You want to unlock your Gmail, gallery files, Duo app, contacts, Chrome, analyze. This app guys you want to unlock. So you can unlock from here guys in your Infinix phone. So as we will unlock our apps, we will on screen. So as you can see, if you open your YouTube app, you don't need to draw your pattern. So like that guys, you can unlock your apps in your Infinix phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye friends.